Hello! Today we are going to look at the best resources you can use to learn more about Kusto Query Language. These resources are perfect for complete beginners as well as intermediate level analysts and engineers. So if you're planning to learn KQL or improve your current skills, you are in the right place. Quick disclaimer, I am going to show you some resources available in Azure. If you don't have access to it, you can simply create a free Azure account, which will give you plenty of time to learn everything you need to know about the topic without paying a penny. So don't let that be an excuse. Let's start with the first one. In the Microsoft Sentinel Content Hub, install the KQL training. It will install two workbooks you can use to learn. The first one is Intro to KQL. When trying to use the workbook, you may encounter an error due to Azure requiring external data sources to be marked as trusted. There is an easy fix for it. Click on Edit, and under the Hidden Values, click on Edit again. Then select the JSON line, and surprise surprise, click Edit once more. From there, click on Headers and select Don't Send Standard Correlation Headers, and then run the query. Once that's done, click Save, then Done Editing, and finally save again. Now you can actually use the workbook. This workbook is a fantastic tool for learning the basics of KQL. It includes plenty of exercises that will enhance your skills and knowledge about the product. Make sure to explore it fully and complete each exercise. Let's do one together. The question asks to return one row from the weather table in the default order. The current KQL query is taking the weather table and limiting it to 10 rows. The solution is simple, we just need to change 10 to 1. As you can see on the right, it will show whether your answer is correct or not. The second workbook is called Advanced KQL for Microsoft Sentinel, where you can find more detailed information about specific categories and examples of how to use them. This is really useful when you are trying to refine your queries and find more specific information. For example, there's a sample query that summarizes accounts activity over the past 24 hours. From here, you can click on Try in the Log Analytic Workspace demo, which will take you to the logs. Simply highlight the query you are interested in and select Run. As you can see, it brought up all of the account's activities in the past 24 hours. You can refine this further, for example by using Order by Count, descending to filter by the most active accounts. This workbook is definitely worth exploring, and you will find plenty of useful information in it. Our next step is the famous Microsoft Sentinel Ninja training. It's the single most amazing resource you will find to learn about KQL and Microsoft Sentinel in general. There are links to webinars, forums, documentations, and much more. You can spend countless hours diving into the interesting topics here. One of the links takes you to the Pluralsight website, where you can take the course on KQL from scratch. It's not necessary to take this course, but at least you will have one place to start learning Kusto. The link will be posted in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Next on our journey is Microsoft training. There are plenty of fundamental trainings, some of which are part of the SC200 exam. They are free to use and well written, providing you with basic information about Kusto Query Language. Lastly, there is a KQL Search website. Queries here are taken from live scenarios and will greatly help you find relevant queries for different security use cases. This is one of the favorite websites for anyone looking to get the most out of the KQL. Congratulations! Now you know how to start with Kusto language. Happy hunting!